in order to convene an emergency and impromptu press conference. May know it has been prompted by what took place. It has been prompted by what took place yesterday. I guess here we are going to say Rotary, and there's been requests for interviews. At this point in time, Kikope Mugaulungwe Reseho to take you through say the horror. It was similar one up to today. We are supposed to be with or the lawyers that are representing him. They couldn't make it because persons were go serious crime. Many refugee had our capture. Comrade,
Dumelang bagaetsho ke bidwa Resego Presidency ke nna mokwedi mogolo wa lekgotlana la bomme la Botswana National Front, the BNF Women's League Secretary General. Mme ke batla go mo dikganyeng tse ke di buang tse ke simolola pele ka go bua ka mathata a re nang le one, because mathata a tswisitseng dikgang tsa gore ke helelwe ke arrested ha se mathata a nkele nosi, ke mathata a gender-based violence a ene gore ke tsaya gore le lona lo theba le mo ka morenye le setšhaba sotlhe sa Botswana se itse gore mathata a rena a tsamaya kae, mme ebile a kekela go le kae day by day. Because ha re ka lebelela di-statistics tsa rona di supa ha ele gore each and every day there are 6 women ba ileng gore they get raped mo Botswana. Recently go nnile dipolao tse 2 tsa bomme ba ntse le tswang dikgang tsa bo gender-based violence. Tsatsi le letsatsi, one of you guys from journalist, the media house, one of you has to report for it. There is a certain person who has been raped, there is a kid who has been raped, there is a grandmother who has been raped, there is a certain woman in Kobojango who has been beat by their husband or their boyfriend, there's a certain someone who has been killed who worked in parliament. So the issue is gender-based violence mo lehatsheng la rona e setse e hitile hela gore ka bua ka di press conference, e setse e hitile hela gore di minister di ka santse di ka re bolela layout gore re ikela go dira jana le jana. So it's a crisis. Tota hela kgang ene nna ke batla gore ke e lwantshe ke yone gender-based violence ene ke dumela gore mme hanka ke a e lwantsha ke le nosi. That's why go ne go le botlhokwa gore ke a re loganye megopolo a me le bo mme ba bangwe ba ne ke bereka le bone gore re le ke go organize march ha ke ta tshwara. Ne ke re ke le bolele hela ka bokhutshwane gore kgang tota ke gender-based violence ha ke na ntwa e pele mmuso wa Botswana, mme gape ha ile gore mmuso wa Botswana o na le ntwa le nna gore ke ta busetsa ntwa ko mmusong wa Botswana. Mme le gale ha re tsena mo go se se diragatseng maabane. On Wednesday I got a call. I have an online boutique e bidiwang gote Resego's Vintage Coach. So usually I put up clothes in my Facebook page. Ke bolela batho gore ha ile gore you have an interest mo sa aparong sengwe, you send me a WhatsApp o mpontsha so se batang, and then I respond gore a se teng kgotsa ga se, and then we can discuss the logistics tsa gore go se tsaya le di transaction. So on Wednesday I got a call from a number ya 72 XIT. Motho a teng ile motho a re mpolela gore o batla gore ke la mme wa gagwe diaparo. So he needs to come to my place for other ta a khone go reka diaparo tse wa di identify. Ke mmolela mme I don't have a store. So even I don't allow people to come to my house. Ke dira di transactions tse khotsa di thekiso tsa diaparo ka WhatsApp. So the person was very persistent. No, I need to come to your stall, I need to come to your house. I don't know you have clothes in your house for get the. And then I just ignored Muthating because Niki feel hell out by being a nonsense. And then on Thursday, Kinekili Koha, my elder sister go block 7. That's when Ebota Bomme Balba Beji, Le Rale 1. You video and Sergeant Edward. That's how he identified himself. Bambela or Havabul Humpata. Because the assumption was I fled at my house block 7, but that wasn't the case. Block 7 since Sunday, so there's no how gape ne ke ntse ke sa itse go bata go nna in any case. So re eto a ba mpolela gore they are going to get my phone e be ke gana gore ba ka tsaya phone yane ne le gona hele ke etsang go thapa. So I was just putting on address e be ke ba kopa gore mme ke kopa go apara sente because ne ke itse le ha ba ntse go gona possibility gore ke se ka boa. So be ke ba kopa gore ke apare ke ya go room. One of the ladies a ba mpolela gore she is not going to keep up with my nonsense. Re tsamaye re go police. She followed me to the bedroom when go rona tsa phone yane e be ke sa kgone go apara. So in short hela ke tsamaile go di officing tsa serious crime squad ko Khali ke apere mosese hela go sena sepe ka teng. I didn't even have a bra on because banze re le gone ke etsang go thapa and they didn't allow me to be in my decent self. So ha re tsena kwa they interviewed me. I think there were about 9 officers but by interview gore post ya me ne ra ya eng blah 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 ke ne ke ntse ke dira le bomang. And then ha interview e hela ba mpolela gore interview e hedile ba nkisa lapeng. They asked me to step outside for a bit and then they convened another meeting when go rotsera about 45 minutes go go. And then after that the Sergeant Kinski Dilalen, Sergeant Edward high school to like mona gape maphakela ta go ntsa go police ya G West. So ha ba tswa on ho they didn't tell me gore go seleng ya go roballa because they told me gore sene ba se bata mo go nna ba se heditse but they still insisted gore ba nkise go G West go seleng ya G West go eno gore hile re tsena go ke ne ke na go mba bedi mo seleng re ntshitswe ra bala ka bo 6 re tara bala ka ka bo 10 and that was it until this morning only to learn that bane ba retse Remonamo is my lawyer ba re ba go nkitsa ka 10 today but ba nkitse ka 7:30. I don't know if there was any ill motive behind that kana ne le hela go gore ba potlakele go nkitsa ga ke itse ke khantsa ne ke tsa go ka bokhusanela di heletse go ntsho
ra le boga bogalo gore sego eta kopa dipotso le tshwenya kantelele ka dipotso this opportunity number 1 mona go le ba ga le wana ya le ba number 2 ba le ba ga le ba bedi ya ba le ba tang go botsa ngwa ta ro potsa tse dingwe dipotso
your post emergency for the sake of Babasa Yopiti.
You know, I thought the reason why the reason why Kinegasa going through the usual process how we conduct our press conference. Negas are by now necessary to Sulahanai. So you go back thing for what is in your mobile and also if we can move away, shy away from sarcasm and get serious business, I will greatly appreciate it.
Emergency. You post on
from where?
You post on Monday how you are going to organize a march against gender-based violence. That's what's the natural distance or you are going to bomb. Don't you think of where some statement so much of quality on Facebook? This one is a sale of so continue to show my motor Lord, how you are going to bomb the buildings? Did you literally say that, or you are just expressing in Gamaho?
You are done.
I'm done, sir.
Yeah. Number 2.
Melo ne putso.
What was it? Yeah, I'm gonna number 2.
Okay, you don't go from the others online. Now I would like to appreciate maybe from your release what has been the development. have you been charged or are you going to be charged? No, I can't young nights. I'm
ke tla simola ka go araba ya ga comrade Johnson hale selo sa nthagela tshwanetse re tlhaloganya gore go na le go mo go bidiwang go te figurative speech gore le ha gompieno mongwe wa rona ka bua gore Jimson ke moreile a ka re Jimson ke moreile came guns blazing mo building a re solele gore wa ba ra gore no tile ka dithobolota go thuntsha batho. It's figurative speech. Ha ke gore the sun will set from the west on that will rise from the west on that day. I don't literally mean that the sun will rise from the west. It's just a way of showing or exaggerating or showing to the extent of which it won't be business as usual, but it doesn't mean what I was going to physically petrol bomb buildings. I have no capacity to do that. And then Sabubedi is there any charge sheet taking here? There's no charge sheet. The last piece of paper I saw, Kiama Abani, ile warrant of arrest for Molato inciting violence and civil disobedience. But up to this point, I can't any charge sheet. But Bampile a warning though, I shouldn't interfere with any of the complainants because you're complaining. But I wasn't finished with that information. Complaining. So I saw how to interfere with the complainants. Men like say all the complainants. And once I never refer to the Facebook comments. For instance, Barabuaho please don't bomb. Jimson no violence, please. I think the Hansa one complain. Basa hear any physical evidence for this person complained, but I refer to the Facebook comments. Yes.
Oh, so Jimson is one of the people who commented.
No.
Are you happy, valuable post, before we move to number 3? No, don't assist me. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm okay.
Thank you. Number 3.
Experience were you tortured or it was just questioning without any torture?
I think what torture can do and get the rich allow torture like it's a worry. Because I always have a possibility of what the work you do. Mela Ragona Sepesiki, 60 dirluens, 6 dulimotili. Mela Gore, Mone Robesting, Honose Pepper, or the was at the low and how was on outer would say, which I did Tajila Hello, Remrais and the president. Le Hawi Tumeran thing, Helago, Hagona meet, Timoting, the jolly de Raheloyana Kalo to the Momoten has said.
When you spoke earlier, or Daggers Online, when you spoke earlier about how to go serious crime unit, the first interrogation, they told you they're done with you. What then changed? Did they say anything to you about Koji West? Was there any type of communication? And maybe tell us about your mental state. Just give us an idea or a picture.
The moment Banza go block 7, I knew there was no possibility that they were going to take me back. Because he has went through the same process, the Facebook post, and they did exactly the same thing to him. So Habanza go block 7, I knew I wasn't going back that night. So he never had the interview is over. And then they came, put 2 more officers, I think there were 11 more. I think Rankud. He convened a totally new meeting. Edward because Edward I communicate the lane we're almost done. I'm going to take you home in the next 10 minutes. But it didn't happen and I didn't see Edward until the following day. Like a transport you to G West police station. There was a totally new group of officers.
But then she's also raised questioning the mental state. I mean, wasn't it traumatic? I think. So.
I think it's not an issue interpretation I could possibly mean the literal sense what I'm going to bend down buildings. We should accept this is a political war. I don't think if I was a BDP activist I would have slept in that cell last night, and I don't believe if I was a BDP activist in fact batho nkabe ba embrace meo a lekananyana o tsaka this courage ya go ka emela bomme ba ba sa kgone go ikemela. It's a political witch hunt, and this is not the first and this is probably not the last. Ha se nna motho a nthagola le moseleng wa Umbrella for Democratic Change, and I'm definitely not the last. So go ya hela go 2024 until the next general election, it's going to be because most of the time ha batho ba go isa prison, they try to break your spirit. They try to break your spirit, but I'm not shaken. I may be very tired and exhausted, but if I would be given a chance, that much will be on as I speak.
Okay. Jimson, why are the comments?
What is the way forward now?
Nane kere ke go botsega gore yaanong since experience ya gago ya maabane, do you still think or do you still stand by your post gore e ne e sena le ha ile mathata, or if given a chance you will change? Then e nngwe ke ga e kile ba ganya le wena re mo go sa gore kana motho wa mme o letsa tshwere maabane le go mpena tsa bua gore tota kana ene issue ga go ke GBV. Me so far since arrest ya gago maabane ha re se re bone mokwalo ope o tswang go mekgato ya bo mme kampo mokgato ope o emaleng. So seo se le ra se re kampo la reng ka sone le UDC.
Now we are way forward. So I would like you to encompass the issue of you being a gender activist and your political activism, because you're saying going forward this will happen. Are you deterred, or are you encouraged, or how are you feeling about it going forward?
All right, I think way forward, because this issue has two dimensions. It's both legal and very political. I'm going to give the lawyers Re Dumabogole, Re Aubako Monamo, they are my lawyers for this case, or Badilele, the legal part of it. And now I'm going to deal with the political part of it, because as I've said, this is a very political issue. We can't just say the issue yadi technicalities. We need to appreciate the fact that I'm a member of the Umbrella for Democratic Change. Party eleng gore ha ne dilo di tsamaile sentle go sa tsiediwa nka be etse re puso mo gore re masisi jaanong. I think this is an instruction from Office of the President. I'm going to be very honest with my words, but I think this is an instruction from Office of the President, so that I may be arrested and to break you down. But I won't break down. The match would still go on today. And Re Jimson ha ke a change mahokwane ha ne ke le ke hwa sebaka sa go go ka oketsa ne ka oketsa mo sebakeng sone, because I'm not moved. Ebe go nna le e ke batang go tsena mo go yone mmino ba ta ya re bua ke re mo hase mme nna ke batla go chipa en mo gone gore kana institutions tsa rona against gender-based violence. We should all know that most institutions le ha ba sentse ba bua ka melomo a bona, they are politically affiliated. Mekgatlo ka bontsi le ha ile ba bega dikgang kae go na le diparty tse ba di supportang, le ha ile ba go ebika go na le diparty tse ba di supportang. Ha mo go go turile ra lebella pele gore mo go bio ke ba party e busang kana ke ba UDC, ebe ba go ba bangwe ba ka ikgobokanya gongwe go ka batla go mothusa. Le ha mmega dikgang go to tshwere ba bega dikgang le rona ra lebella gore ke comrade Semamanya yo nna bua ka masisi, and gongwe be re nna re go ga maoto go ka leka go mothusa. The institutions are against gender injustice. They are very much politically affiliated. But they are politically affiliated. I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. Well and good. But I don't think I give a shit.
You know, the other thing that you should take into account, most society, the institution, particularly the institution, I don't know how to women. Dominate to a big elites. Maybe they want to let last dimension about the. You know the issues say long aren't yes we engage. Retaburugu let's on a let's on a reheta helagas on it. But when I say long you can amazing an issue long Mayama me. Well, Kanya Mam Mewakito and Hanso Galabella would be by Baba very much at the receiving end. The Modican Skiba Lomore Habana Mahdi Basotera. You want to pit in Nela Manam, Gatsotero, As Salasan Tahara, Manan, Extra got also a lawyer and a mono and mates our mana. It's only the country. So those are issues there largely. That's why you go at last. They affect the women upon the way it. And then the issue in all these institutions, say Longore, Digo Jimu, who sits in those organizations? Is it the ordinary woman? Is a victim of gender-based violence? Or by though there is an element there where ill treatment, but the extent challenges are when I challenge the ordinary woman who toils every morning at Togomela Banata long distances for a single mother. So the challenges are what Metzwan and let's one. I see challenges with a lot of the women by law they do domestic work unpaid. By Lake but Togomela Banaba, and those are the people who are so terham. Why Berega and we really must more to so how we relate to these challenges most society outside, and this informs how we respond to issues of this nature. So, with due respect to these organizations, I'll have to say these are elitist organizations. They are very close to the ruling elite, and the capacity to stand up to the challenges say them what communities are facing or that are raising against the status quo. It's about the status quo, so it's not easy. People want certain things to obtain because they are benefiting from more so. But it's unfortunate. And I think the earlier we actually understand what gender-based violence can be. And I don't want to mistake you to just this approach here and one size fits all. The interest of the challenges like I was saying, the major challenge about how do we dissect these issues so that last how do we deal with the issues so the elite say the elite ile mo organization agwele sambo jo khatere tsengele merikwa haba algola pe akhatere tsuke nembe mo. So those are the issues that I think so already proven and gender-based violence so let's say we had the president Malawi gender-based violence, but I think he was just losing over issues. We need to interrogate these issues. And this is why the gender-based violence says I hear me. Me also to Morgan. More gender-based violence. What have I quite but the chances are you will this evening. What are we involved tomorrow? You go into the social media. But we are looking at gender-based violence. I can't about how I see it. And he was out of one animal to hang out of Jimum. I tell you, not a Christian woman. But it's us, but a Christian woman. Maybe I don't have a color gender-based violence. So we need to be serious in our engagement as a society on this matter. Otherwise, I'm not aware of it. And again, the head of the guys are kind of comrade.
Maybe my last one. You singled out the president as the one behind your ordeal. One would beg to differ and say probably it's not him. He has come out to talk against gender-based violence. We even saw him last week addressing the nation on gender-based violence. So my question is, why do you think that it's him when he has come out to say no against GBV?
For starters, I wasn't arrested because I'm fighting gender-based violence. The issue of gender-based violence di ga go thata le pelo go ja ka eta bo television o ka ba tsile go nkgolla ka gore ha ne le gore ke tshwaretse gore ke batla go lwantsha gender-based violence o ka be gongwe a ntshitse instruction gore nya mme o kana o bua dikgang tse ke ntseng ke bua ka ga tsone mo leseng a tswelle ka dikgang tsa gago. But I'm saying is the office of the president, because office of the president, it controls almost all state institutions. If something is happening at the DCEC or at the Office of the Public Protector, you probably know it's at his instruction, because all those offices fall under his directorship. So, Office of the President, in Alisa, the Mohoka, Tsaring, Hami Kisena charge sheet. Hanelo Horikita, Utuna, and Alabama, get out to know what I'm considering upon me. Len Nike mewa position nka ba nkemetse ka dinao a ira di press conference tsa tlhola di dira ha ile go aba diphoko kwa bua gore nya mme ngwana wa golwe a tla tswelle a lwantshe le kgantsa gender based violence. Tsa go tlheletse go nna
we've come to the end of our process. I know, I understand it's a Friday and it's been a long week. But what about you shouldn't keep you for long.